Unlock powerful communication features directly within your PHP applications with Twilio. Before diving in, ensure you have PHP installed with Composer and a free Twilio account ready. Your Twilio account dashboard is where you'll manage your phone numbers and find essential API credentials. The simplest way to integrate Twilio is by using their official PHP helper library. You'll install this library into your project using Composer, which handles all necessary dependencies, setting up your project for seamless interaction with Twilio's API. Next, navigate to your Twilio console dashboard here. You'll locate your account SID and auth token, which are crucial for authenticating your requests if you haven't already. Also acquire a Twilio phone number, as this will be the number used for sending messages or making calls. With your credentials in hand, you'll initialize the Twilio client within your PHP script. This involves creating a new instance of the Twilio client class, passing in your account SID and auth token. This client object will then be your gateway to all Twilio services. One of the most common uses is sending SMS messages using the Initialize client. You'll call a method specifying your Twilio phone number, the recipient's phone number, and your message content. With a simple execution, your PHP application can now send messages globally. Twilio isn't just for SMS. You can also programmatically make and receive calls, and manage complex voice interactions for inbound communications like receiving SMS or handling incoming calls. You'll set up webhooks that point to your PHP application, allowing Twilio to notify your script of events. Remember to implement robust error handling to gracefully manage failed requests and ensure secure storage of your API credentials, ideally using environment variables. These practices will make your integration reliable and secure. Implementing Twilio in PHP opens a world of powerful communication possibilities, from simple SMS to sophisticated voice applications. The Twilio PHP helper library makes integration straightforward and efficient. Start building your communication-powered PHP applications today.